Jamie. I hope all of you are doing fine. Welcome back to my Band Baja Budget series. कैसे हैं सब लोग? Guys, today's video is about basic makeup essentials that you would need in your makeup kit. तो I'm sure कि शादी के टाइम पे before your wedding, after your wedding, for some days there'll be a lot of relatives and guests around you, and you would want to dress up and look your best throughout the whole time. तो सबके पास एक पर्सनल यूज के लिए बेसिक मेकअप किट तो हम सब बना के रखते हैं. तो आज की वीडियो में हम उसी के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं कि आपका जो मेकअप किट होगा तो उसमें क्या क्या चीजें आपको रखनी पड़ेगी. सो गाइज, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द वीडियो, मैं एक डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहती हूँ. अगर आप ऑलरेडी मेकअप के शौकीन हो एंड अगर आप ऑलरेडी थोड़ा मेकअप प्रोफेशनल हो एंड इफ यू आर ऑलरेडी यूजिंग हाइलाइटर, ब्रॉन्जर, कॉन्टोर एंड फाउंडेशन or setting powder, primer and all of that, then let me tell you that this video is not for you. This video is basically for the beginners जिनको मेकअप का इतना शौक नहीं होता है या फिर इतना मेकअप के बारे में पता नहीं है. They just getting started, people like me जो काजल और लिपस्टिक से खुश हो जाते हैं. तो this video is for them. So अगर आप ऑलरेडी बहुत सारा मेकअप के बारे में जानते हो तो देन maybe you'll be disappointed. But अगर आपको मेकअप का इतना शौक नहीं है, अगर आपको मेकअप का बेसिक किट चाहिए तो then this video is for you. So let's get started. In today's video we're gonna be talking about the makeup essentials that you would need in your makeup kit. Let's get started. सबसे पहले तो obviously guys your face wash. So my face wash has always been Neutrogena Deep Clean face wash. मैं बहुत सालों से ये वाला face wash use करती हूँ and I totally love it. I think it's been like 5 to 7 years that I've been using Neutrogena's Deep Clean face wash and I totally love it. And recently I started using Mamaearth का Upton face wash also and मुझे ये वाला face wash भी बहुत अच्छा लगा है. तो on a daily basis I always use Neutrogena Deep Clean face wash and otherwise I've been using Mamaearth का Upton face wash weekly 3-4 times because उसमें थोड़ा सा it's like a scrub also, but that also is really good. So yeah, I use both. Now coming to moisturizer, so before obviously you apply your makeup and stuff like that, so a moisturizer is very important. Otherwise also on a daily basis a moisturizer is very important for your skin. Right now my go-to moisturizer is Olay and this is the one that I've been using. I am in totally love with it. So guys, now that your skin is all ready for the makeup, let's get started with the makeup products that I have been using. मैं सबसे पहले अपना foundation use करती हूँ. Foundation के लिए I would say L'Oreal is the one that I've been using for quite some time now. और मेरे पास एक MAC वाला foundation भी था. मेरे शादी के टाइम पे I had used MAC वाला foundation, which was superb. Obviously MAC कॉस्मेटिक्स के मतलब MAC ब्रांड के तो ऑब्वियसली सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं बट दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो मैंने अपनी शादी के टाइम पे MAC लिया था बट देन आई हैव बीन यूजिंग L'Oreal ऑल्सो. अदरवाइज मुझे L'Oreal इनफैलिबल का भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है फाउंडेशन. सो नंबर 1, यू कैन हैव योर फाउंडेशन विथ यू इन योर मेकअप किट. Now coming to the compact. Compact is something again which you might need throughout the day, which way in case you want to dab your skin and look a bit fresh, in case you go sweaty and things like that. So compact also you can always have it handy. Again मेरे शादी के टाइम पे I had a MAC compact which was really good, but otherwise all my life I've been using Lakme 9 to 5 का compact and this is something also which I really like. I think I've been using since my college time. I think back in 2010-11 के टाइम से I've been using Lakme के products and Lakme के products ने मुझे कभी धोखा नहीं दिया है. ठीक है. Now coming to eyeshadow, one thing that I want to tell you is that eyeshadow में जब भी मैंने सर्च किया है ऑनलाइन, be it Nykaa और Amazon, मुझे बहुत सारे छोटे पैलेट्स मिले हैं which has like one kind of a color shade. So if you have nude color shade, it's gonna be a nude color palette. If you have like a pink color shade, it's gonna be like dark pink, light pink, ऐसे वाले. But I have always wanted an eyeshadow palette which has like almost all the colors and I've got one. I'm just gonna show you. So this is the one that I have. So this is Profusion Cosmetics Festival and there are 35 shades. Let me give you a closer look. Okay, so this is really cool in case you are wearing a pink or a blue or golden or nude colors. You have it all and there are also like matte and glitter shades. So this is also really long lasting and it's not grainy or anything at all. It's totally smooth. अगर आप ये वाला जो eyeshadow ले रहे हैं, so you will need extra brushes. There's no brush that comes with it. So but this is totally worth it. It's not that expensive also. I bought it from Nykaa for I guess 1500 एंड ऑब्वियसली शादी के टाइम पे यू विल बी वेयरिंग डिफरेंट कलर ऑफ ड्रेसेस एंड डिफरेंट शेड्स एंड ऑल दैट, सो दिस कैन बी लाइक one palette which has all the colors that you need. But otherwise, in case you are only looking for nude shades, in case you are only wanting to have all those pastel shades as in your eyeshadow, then you can go for this. This also I have been having, ये actually बहुत पुराना हो गया इसीलिए ऐसा लग रहा है, but this has also been really helpful for me. So this is Maybelline का Blushed Nudes and I think ये Maybelline वाले eyeshadow में यही सबसे ज़्यादा चलता है. They have the nude shade palette. Now one more thing, अगर हम proper professional makeup करते हैं, so then we have our contour, we have our highlighter, we have our blush, there is bronzer, there are so many things to put on your cheeks. I am just gonna be substituting all those things into two things, So in case जैसे कि आप घर पे रहने वाले हो and in case you just gonna have some guests over or it's not gonna be a big party or anything like that. If you're just gonna be home, you can try this one. This is tint. This is Benetint, which is like just a cheek tint, and you can also use it as a lip tint and as an eyeshadow tint also. So this is really cool. You just have to take like 2 drops of it. This one that I've been using is Ilana Peach Tint and ये वाला बहुत अच्छा है. One more thing that I really like and I think I've been using almost every other day to shoot my videos and things like that is this. This is called Nykaa Shimmer Brick and they've got, so they also have like different color shades के palettes. This is one that I got. This is, I think that this has peach and pink colors in it and it's totally shimmery. So this again you can use it as your eyeshadow in case you don't want to use the entire palette and you just want peach and pink shades for your eyeshadow also. This will do the trick guys. मैंने इसको eyeshadow के लिए भी use किया है. So this can be like your eyeshadow, it can be like your bronzer, highlighter, blush. It's a bit shimmery but the look that it gives, the finish that it's giving is amazing. It's got peach, pink, a bit of goldenish wala, bronzy wala look. So this is really handy and it's really good. Now coming to eyebrow pencil, eyeliner and kajal, these are obviously the 3 must-haves. So eyebrow pencil is something that I really cannot go without because I have a cut in my eyebrows and I need my eyebrow pencil has been like my best friend. So मैं जब 3rd standard में थी तो I really had a bad cut here and so मेरे यहाँ पे half eyebrows नहीं है, so I have to conceal it with an eyebrow pencil every day morning. So I mean I don't do it every time when I'm home and all that, but yeah, when I go out I do conceal it. जैसे right now I'm making a video, so I'm sure कि आपको लगता होगा कि ये पूरे real eyebrows है, but मेरे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा eyebrow नहीं है, so I have to use eyebrow pencil every time. So my eyebrow pencil that I use always is Lakme Absolute Precision Eyebrow Artist. This is what I've been using always. I've been using Revlon, Maybelline के भी eyebrow pencils मैंने try किए हैं, but they are smudgy and वो बहुत black लगते हैं, artificial लगते हैं. But in that perspective this is really good. This is not smudgy at all and ये बहुत ही मतलब light shade देता है, तो you really don't feel like it's you're really drawing something on your eyebrows. It gives a total natural look and ये मतलब निकलता भी नहीं है इतने जल्दी and it stays on, it's really lasting. So this is Lakme Absolute Eyebrow Pencil. You can go for it and I guess they have different shades also like grey, brown and I think this is natural black that I have got. So for kajal again, my go-to kajal has always been Maybelline का Colossal काजल, जो basic Maybelline का Colossal काजल है. I think इसमें भी they have a lot of variations that have come like Super Stay, this, that and all that, which obviously varies in price and things like that. But I think this has always been my go-to kajal. And one thing that I really like about Maybelline kajal is it is not smudgy at all. So I don't have anything against organic products or bio products. Like जैसे हम हिमालय काजल की बात करें, हिमालय is a very good brand. I also use a lot of हिमालय brand के products, but I really don't like हिमालय का काजल. हिमालय का काजल ऑर्गेनिक है बोलते हैं, बट वो लगाते हैं in another 15-20 minutes यहाँ पे पूरा black होके it smudges really badly. So I don't like हिमालय का काजल at all, very frankly. In that regard मुझे Maybelline का काजल बहुत अच्छा लगता है because it is not smudgy at all. ना कमिंग टू आईलाइनर का भी मुझे जो लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट का एक आईलाइनर आता है, आई डोंट हैव इट राइट नाउ, वो खत्म हो गया है। उसके बहुत सारे शेड्स भी आते हैं, लाइक यू नो ग्रे, ग्रीन, आई थिंक ब्लू ऑल्सो कम्स। आई डोंट हैव इट राइट नाउ बिकॉज वो सारे खत्म हो गए। आई रियली हैव टू रीफिल माई स्टॉक। सो लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट का आईलाइनर इज really good, but otherwise this is the basic bottle that I have, which is Lakme Insta Liner. I think ये तो सबके पास ही होगा, स्कूल टाइम से सबके पास ही होगा। This just comes for 110 rupees and it's the basic eyeliner that you can get, but this is this is enough. I feel this is enough. I've been using this every day and never have I got a smudged or anything. See, many times we think that अगर बहुत if you're spending a lot of money on some product, अगर जैसे आप 1000 rupees का एक eyeliner खरीदोगे तो it's going to be कितना black होगा यार, सब black color तो एक ही जैसे होता है, it's going to be more black and it's going to be super stay and all of that. This is just I think 110 or 120 rupees still, but ये चल जाता है. It is black and it stays for a long time. I can vouch for this that it stays for your entire day because I've been using this every day. Eyeliner is one piece of my makeup routine that I cannot part with. बचपन से ही ऐसा था. I love putting an eyeliner on. Mascara, how can we forget of mascara? When I actually spoke about the whole eye makeup part, mascara is something that I really like and हमेशा से जब से ये आया है, जब से मुझे ये मिला है, मैं यही यूज़ करती हूँ. इसके नए नए डब्बे खरीदती रहती हूँ. दिस इज नथिंग बट Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. Yes. So I've got these 4 shades of lipsticks that I always have in hand. One is nude, one is pink, one is the bright red and one is maroon. So these 4 colors I always have in my bag and I think these are the 4 basic colors that we all go out for. So yeah guys, I think that is it. That basically covers pretty much of your basic makeup kit, and if in case you're just wanting to have that basic makeup look, this is it. This is all you need. बहुत ज़्यादा भी आपको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So coming to makeup remover, this is the makeup remover that I used. It is L'Oreal का makeup remover and ये बहुत जल्दी makeup सब कुछ निकाल देता है. बहुत सही चीज़ है. I really liked it. And what else guys? I think that's it. That's all the makeup I have. मेरे पास इससे ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, sorry. But I think this is it. This is all that you need for the basic makeup that you want to do. Obviously शादी के दिन तो ये सब चीज़ों से काम नहीं चलेगा. You'll have to have the entire makeup, professional makeup done. Because you have to stay with the makeup on for your entire day and I'm sure it's going to be a heavy makeup. मेरा भी हुआ था and तो वो तो obviously professional लोग करेंगे, but ये जो चीज़ मैं बोल रही थी, this is the basic stuff that you would want to have with you. And in case I'm just telling this again that अगर आप मेकअप के शौकीन हो तो I'm sure कि मतलब आपके पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स होंगे एंड ये तो बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ होगी आपके लिए. आपके पास ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको पता ही होंगी, बट आई हैव जस्ट मेड दिस वीडियो फॉर दोज पीपल जिनका मतलब उतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं होगा मेकअप के लिए एंड हु वुड जस्ट वांट टू हैव द बेसिक स्टफ्स, द बेसिक थिंग्स in their makeup kit that they might need. And obviously in case if we just talk about our hair and things like that, so obviously please do make sure that you have a straightener or a curler, you have your blow dry with you, and also you have a hair serum with you. Please make sure you have a hair serum, you carry your hair serum. And when we spoke about the makeup and when we spoke about the makeup remover, obviously make sure you also have some cotton with you to remove your makeup. You have your brushes with you for your eyeshadow, for your blush and things like that. And also guys, what else? Yes, one more very important thing. Yes, make sure you have a nail paint, any shade. I think maybe red preferably because that would go with all your dresses and you would be newly wed. So yeah, red and a nail paint remover also. So yes guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you like this video. So this goes for the basic makeup kit and the basic makeup essentials, and I'm gonna put all these things ka links in the description box below in case you wanna check out, in case you wanna buy the similar products. और आपको इनके बारे में कुछ और भी पूछना है तो please do let me know. I'll be there in the comment section to answer all your questions. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Take care and lots of love.